Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing Cat Mom Daisy's Tiger Hat Kitten Journal. This is part of a series called Mom and Baby Animals. So there's other books in this series, but today we are just reviewing this one. This book is all about a mom cat named Daisy, who goes to a shelter looking for a new home for her kittens, because she doesn't want them to be outside anymore. But when she gets to the shelter, they tell her that she has to leave them behind. So she refuses, and she runs away with her kitten still in her belly. So then she finds this nice family, and they take her in and let her have her kittens. And they name one of the kittens Tiger Hat because he has this little tiger striped hat. And so the story follows her and her kittens as they grow up together. Now this is an early chapter book, so it's really good for those of you that are just starting to read chapter books. It's not too hard, and the vocabulary is not too hard. The sentences are very simple, and the story is very simple to follow as well. It's a really great book for young readers. We also have a lot of adorable pictures throughout the entire book. Like, look at this one. Look at that cute kitten. Look at that. Oh, I want to touch his little tail. They are so cute. And look at this one. She's got them all lined up. Isn't that cute? So we have a lot of adorable pictures of the kittens and the cats in this book. This book is really great if you love animals, especially cats, or if you've ever had a pet. Then you will love this book because it really captures that special bond between a pet and their owner. It shows how much love they can give you, and how much joy they can bring into your life. And it also teaches a lesson about compassion and kindness, because it shows how these animals were treated cruelly in the beginning of the story. But then they found a family who was kind to them, and they lived happily ever after. So if you are looking for a heartwarming story about a cat and her kittens, then I highly recommend checking out The Tiger Hat Kitten by Cat Mom Daisy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Goodbye. Hello, my name is Daisy and I am a cat mom. I have 3 wonderful cats, 2 of which are bonded pairs. They're brothers. And then there's one little girl who is an independent lady. She doesn't want anything to do with the boys. I started this journal for my kitten, Tiger Hat. He's the little guy in the striped hat. This is where I jot down all of his firsts, and all of the things that he does that just make me laugh because motherhood is hard and sometimes you forget those tiny little moments that they do that just make you smile. So I started writing them down in this little book, and now I have a few of them. His first adventure outside the box was March 3rd. I put that in here because it was just such a momentous occasion. It was a big day. I got a little teary-eyed. He was only out for about 5 minutes, but it was very exciting. He had his first vet visit on April 2nd. He was a very good boy. He got lots of treats. He got a little shot, which was not his favorite thing, but overall, he did really well. And then May 1st was the first time he climbed up on top of the refrigerator. He likes to watch the birds outside and he likes to be up high. So this is a very exciting adventure for him. This one makes me laugh because it's so true. On May 29th, I wrote zoomies at 3 a.m. because what can you do when your kitten has zoomies at 3 a.m.? You just have to join in and play with him until he falls asleep. And then I get some sleep. These are some of my favorites. June 6th, the day he decided to start climbing curtains. That was fun. There's a lot of cat hair in there, so it was kind of a dusty adventure for him. But he loves to climb curtains. June 11th, the day he learned how to jump onto the bed. Very exciting. It's quite a tall surface, and he just decided he could do it, and he did it. June 16th, the day he started talking back. That was very funny. He has this little chirpy sound that he does when he wants something. And then if you try to ignore it, he starts doing this little meow, which is very cute, but also very funny. July 11th, the day he stole my heart. Just a little reminder in case you forget how much your kitten loves you. In case you need a reminder that they love you and you're redoing a good job. Motherhood is hard, so just a little reminder that you're doing great. August 7th, the day he learned to shake hands. Because why not? Why not teach your kitten to shake hands? It's very cute. It's also very funny because he thinks it's a game. So he come running, and then he give you a little paw, and then he runs away again. August 22nd, the day he stopped being a kitten. He's still a baby, but he stopped being a kitten and he turned into a teenager. And I don't know why, but it made me really sad. I think it's because it reminded me that I'm getting older too. Like I'm not a little kid anymore. I'm a teenager. Oh my gosh, we're all getting older together.